Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor Pad 8 and let me share with you how to change a 3 buttons navigation to the gestures in this device. So as you can see, I already have the gestures applied, but let me show you where to find them and how to use them. So let's enter the settings, and in this left section we have to scroll down to the very bottom and find System and Updates. As you can see, the system navigation is on the second position, so let's tap on it. And here we've got both gestures and 3-key navigation. Before I'll focus on the gestures, a quick disclaimer, we can tap on the 3-key navigation, and if you will decide that you want to leave this option turned on, you can customize it here. So let's tap on the settings, and as you can see, you can, for example, reorder the buttons, the back button and the recents. You can also add an additional button to hide the bar with the buttons. You can select the position, so you can change it to the right, to the left, to the center, however you want it, and slide to move navigation bar. So that's what I wanted to say about the 3-key navigation, and all we have to do right now in order to set the gestures is to tap on this option. Of course, you can go through the tutorial and learn how to use it, however, I will not show it to you. I will explain later on how to use the gestures. Again, we can customize the gestures. Let's tap on the settings, and here, as you probably see, we do not have the 3 bars icon, we do not have anything actually. We can show navigation bar, so we can show this kind of line. If you prefer to have it applied, you can do it. I prefer to have it hidden. You can also decide whether you want to slide across bottom to switch apps. You can manage Google Assistant and again try out gestures. So right now a quick explanation of how to use them. If you'd like to get back to the previous page, just like by using the back button, you have to swipe your finger from the side to the center, just like that. However, as you can see, do not hold your finger for too long because you will open this additional bar with the apps. So simply swipe your finger quickly and release it, and then we will go back. The same situation from the left side, it works the same. If you'd like to get back directly to the home page, all you have to do is to swipe your finger from the bottom to the center, but make sure that this motion will be quick and short, just like that. And if you want to open the recents, make sure to repeat the gesture. However, hold your finger somewhere here. You should elongate it, just like that. And here we've got the recents. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.